Here we're training hip internal rotation and a hip extension bias. So we're working on this back leg. We're gonna start with either a kettlebell or a pole or an immovable object on the inside of this working leg, this back left leg. So if this is neutral, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my pelvis and I'm gonna slowly turn my pelvis until I find a capsule stretch running across from the back to the front of the hip. So we're gonna sit in this capsule stretch. If we need to create additional space, so if we're doing pails and rows, we're gonna hold this for 2 minutes. If you have enough internal rotation, you're gonna skip the stretching 2-minute portion and go straight into the pails and or rails portion. I'm up tall. After that 2-minute stretch for the pails and rails, I'm gonna pails, push into that kettlebell. So I'm trying to slide this kettlebell across the mat, and then rails is gonna be pulling the foot off the mat. So what you're gonna notice is my pelvis wants to turn back this way. I'm gonna use my sticks to brace and keep my pelvis in place. So as I go rails, I'm not actually even getting off of the kettlebell, but I can feel the tissue retracting or contracting into that shortened position. That's our rails. So pails driving in, rails squeezing off as hard as possible.